Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I just want to say big thank you to every single one of you guys for subscribing, for leaving all the positive feedback. You guys are just rock stars. Thank you very much. So we got a new project today. It's Aston Martin. So let's take a closer look at the damage. Alright, let's take a closer look at this beauty, Aston Martin. So right side fender is damaged, so we're gonna repair the fender. It's a fiberglass, so easy to repair it, because I believe new fender at the dealer, they want 5,000. So let's pull this car into the shop and start taking it apart. We're gonna start with removing the tire, the fender liner, the headlight, and the front bumper. Alright, the tire is off, so we'll remove the fender liner. Some screws are holding, so we'll remove all the screws, get the fender liner out so we could see exactly what's going on. Alright, fender liner is off. Now we could remove the headlight. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws are holding, so, and the headlight should come out. Alright, the headlight is removed. So in order to get to the headlight, I had to remove the airbox. And that's what it looks like. So now we have plenty of room to get here and repair this fender. I'm not going to remove the bumper completely, just loosen it up, because we're not going to paint the bumper, and this way we still have plenty of room to paint. So yeah, we'll start repairing it, and then primer it today, and then paint tomorrow. Alright, this is the fiberglass coating. This is the hardener we'll be using. And this is the fiberglass mat. So we mix those two up and apply this fiberglass onto the fender. It should be good to go. Usually I like to cut little strips like that, and then we'll start gluing the fiberglass together. That's how much we put, and then we do 6 drops of hardener. And now you mix it up and ready to go. Alright, so we put the fiberglass on the outside and then from the inside as well for the extra support. So we'll sand it down and then I'll apply some Bondo. Alright, so what I did, I sand it down so it's nice and smooth. Remove the paint. And that's where we're gonna put our Bondo so it's nice and clean. And then here's the Bondo that I use, 3M. Works the best. And then this is the hardener. So yeah, this is it right here. Alright, the first layer of Bondo is applied, so we're gonna let this dry out and start sanding. And then for the final, I usually use this Dolphin glaze, works the best, and the hardener. Alright, we're done with the body work. Everything came out nice and clean. Time for primer and paint. Alright, we're putting primer on the Aston Martin right now and ready for paint tomorrow. Alright, we just put the primer gonna let it get dry overnight completely, and we'll start painting tomorrow. Alright, Aston Martin is painted, ready to go. We'll start putting the car back together tomorrow. Alright, Aston Martin is painted. We could start putting it back together. So right now we're gonna install the headlight. And make sure, guys, always tag and bag everything if you want to put your car back together. Alright, headlight is in. That was like so sketchy because I had no room to put the headlight and I didn't want to scratch the headlight, but we did it. So now we got this big old air box that's supposed to go in there, so we'll install this back. Alright, the box is installed. That's the air box, and I'm not gonna lie, that was pain in the butt to install it because you got pretty much no room to get in there or do anything. Same with the headlight, but we did it. So next we're gonna install this grill. That should be fun as well because you got no room to even get in there, and there's screw right here and screw right here. So alright, so headlight is installed, bumper, same with the side grille. So next we're gonna install the fender liner, the underneath shield, and the engine cover, and we're done. Alright, the Aston Martin is finished, ready for delivery. We'll give it a nice little detail, quick wash, and good to go. Alright guys, we're finished with the Aston Martin. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the thumbs up if you guys like the video. If you don't, well, sorry, sucks to be you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
I swear I like your style. Put you in Chanel cause it's just perfect for your smile. Girl, I swear for you I'd run the world, I'd run the miles. The way you look at me, I think I'm going insane. It's crazy how we started out to what the love became.